Start by finding a comfortable seat. Allow yourself to begin to relax. And now becoming aware of the fact that you are breathing. Notice the breath beginning and ending. Bring your attention to the beginning of the inhale and keep that focus all the way to the end of the exhale, staying with the entire length of the breath. Only needing to follow this one breath right now. From time to time, you'll notice that your attention becomes distracted. Time after time, being distracted by thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Time after time, letting go and returning your awareness to the flow of your breath. And gently now, coming back to the room. Noticing the body where it makes contact with the floor or cushion. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes.